Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make well of death. Okay, you may be surprising by listening to the word well of death. This is a well-known word and well-known thing for us. It is very interesting thing in the exhibitions as well as in the circus. You know, a biker is going to ride the bike on the walls. Okay, so you are going to find it. He is going to making rounds, and he is not going to fall down. And what is the reason behind it? That is what we are going to learn, and we are going to make exact model by the regular equipment that we are going to find in our surroundings. Okay, so this is actually a basic concept called as centrifuge. You know, centrifuge is a machine which is used to separate the particles of higher mass from that of lower mass. So let us see what are the components required to make this well of death. See, nothing much are required. You know, a plastic bowl, any plastic bowl is acceptable, and a small 3-volt DC motor or any DC motor is acceptable. Okay, we are going to fit it here with the help of a pulley. Okay, now it can able to rotate freely. See, and these are the connecting wires, and this is, you all know, it's a 9-volt clip, battery clip, and it is a 9-volt battery. So there in the circus you are going to find bikes. Now I am not going to provide you the bikes, that's why these are the nuts which are our bikes now. Okay, now see, if I am going to put a nut here and if I am going to make it like this, does it going to be there or it is going to fall down? It is going to fall down because of gravity. You all know, see. So if I am going to drop all these nuts here and if I am going to put it like this, then all the nuts are here. They are going to fall down. Okay. Now, in what way these nuts are not going to be fell down? That is what we are going to see now. See. Now I am connecting this equipment to a battery, and now we are going to see what is the thing which is going to happen. I am going to connect it to the battery, and let us see what is going to happen. Okay. Now I am connecting it to the battery. Let me connect it. So after connecting it, we are going to find it is going to rotate like this. See how it is rotating? See, this is rotating like this. See, now I am going to take these nuts and I am going to put all these nuts here. See? Now you can see it. Now we are going to make it rotate. See, the nuts are inside and it is rotating. Now see, you can observe the nuts are there. Now I am going to take a little risk. I am trying to invert it. Let us see whether the nuts are going to fall down or not. Surprisingly, the nuts are there still. They are rotating. They are not going to fall down even it is inverted. Isn't it interesting? So let us see whether bike riders are there or not. Yes, they are very much there. Okay, so this is the experiment that we can do, and by this we can understand about the concept of centrifuge, which is very interesting. And a centrifuge is a device which is used to separate the particles of higher mass from that of lower mass. See, nothing more is required. A 9-volt battery, some connecting wires, a 9-volt toy motor, and a plastic cup. Any plastic cup is acceptable. Even the lid of the any jar is acceptable. Okay, hope you understand.